Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Just go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. So one of the newest areas of support now is going to be right up here at the $1.95 mark. So $1.95 going to be that preferable area to watch going forward that you'd want to see the price stay above. Also watch the purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes on this week, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So really the most straightforward way to gauge the overall health of the chart is to watch that purple line, and as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, that's going to definitely put the overall chart in the best position possible. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial area of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right up here at $2.10. I'm not going to count the number of times, but several times, price got rejected from that area this afternoon after the price fell back below it. So in the very near term, definitely 210 is going to be that first key hurdle that needs to be crossed. If the price can push up through there, then next key level is just simply where the price got rejected from today, and that's up there at $2.20. All in all, though, the overall trend remains healthy, remains in the bulls' favor, and as long as those lows just keep getting higher and higher, or in other words, as long as that price stays above the purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor, and that's what you want to see going forward. So focus on those healthy bases, focus on those higher consolidation areas, and just let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.